In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create nested functions inside your array formula here in Google Sheets. Nesting formulas in Google Sheets involves using one function as an argument within another function. These allows for more complex calculations and logical operations within a single cell. In this particular example, we are going to be using the if function within our array formula. So let's get started. In this example, I'm going to have my price multiplied by the quantity to get our total right here. And I'm going to be enclosing that with our array formula to autofill the rest of our data. Let's get started. We have our equal sign right here, and we already have that suggested formula. But the problem here is that we have some empty rows. So what I want to do is to use the if function. Here we have it. Our logical expression would be if this is not empty, then it will be multiplied to this column right here. So that's our price multiplied by our quantity. But if the price is empty, then it will be left blank. Let's get started. So our logical expression would be B2 to B, that's an open-ended cell reference, is not equal to a blank, comma. Then our value would be this price multiplied by our quantity. So let's go ahead and do that. That's B2, again, multiplied by our quantity column, which is E2, open-ended cell reference, comma. But if our value is false, if that cell is empty, then it will just be a blank. Close that off, press enter, and there we have it. Now to enclose this with our array formula, I'm just going to double click, go to the beginning of our formula, press Ctrl Shift Enter, and we have quickly inserted our array formula, press enter, and here we have it. So we have our data filled out with the help of our array formula, and again, those empty cells will result to empty cells. And there you have it. So here's our formula again. We only have it at the top. You see at this cells, we do not have the formula because again, this is enclosed with our array formula, which quickly rolls out our formula and autofills our data. And there you have it. That's how you can create nested functions inside your array formula here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.